Welcome to Money Mindset Monday. Today, we've got an exciting topic to discuss: ROI, or return on investment. Let's break it down. ROI is like a magic formula that helps you measure how much you get in return for the effort or money you invest in something. It's all about getting more out of what you put in. Think of it this way. Imagine you're a gardener, and you plant seeds in your garden. Your investment is the time and effort you spend nurturing those seeds. Now, when those seeds grow into beautiful flowers or delicious fruits, that's your return. ROI is like knowing how much those flowers or fruits are worth compared to the effort you put into growing them. Now, here's where things get exciting. ROI isn't just for gardeners, it's for everyone, including you. Whether you're investing your time, money, or energy into education, a business, or even a hobby, ROI can guide you to make better decisions. One of the most inspiring things about ROI is that it helps you set clear goals. When you know what you want to achieve and understand the potential returns, you can make smarter choices. It's like having a roadmap to success. ROI also teaches you to maximize your returns. It encourages you to focus on what truly matters. If you're spending a lot of time on something that isn't giving you much in return, it might be time to rethink your strategy and invest your efforts where they'll make a bigger impact. ROI has this incredible power called compounding. When you consistently invest wisely and get good returns, your gains can snowball over time. It's like watching your garden bloom more and more beautifully with each passing season. It's all about making your investments count, setting clear goals, and watching your efforts compound into success. So, go out there, make those investments, and watch your dreams grow just like a beautiful garden in spring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. And as always, keep chasing your dreams and maximizing your ROI. You've got this.